How has India's real estate sector been going? In the first half of 2023, private equity inflows to India's real estate sector was said to experience a decline of 20% compared to the previous year. It was said that India seemed to have strong economic growth in India and high long-term confidence among global investors. So why the decline? This is said to be attributed to the prevailing global concerns leading investors to adopt more measured approach. Could things get better? According to Knight Frank, in the second half of 2023, there may be a 5% year-on-year growth in private equity investments with an estimated total of $5.6 billion for 2023. Private equity investments inflows into the Indian real estate sector stood at about $3.4 billion at the end of 2022. It seems like office real estate was the winner in attracting investments with close to 70% of total private equity investment. In 2022, commercial office assets garnered about 45% of the investment pie. It seems like there were income-yielding assets in the office sector. The demand for office space, particularly flexible office spaces, may be surging. Supply may be lower than existing demand, making the office sector highly attractive to investors. Could this be a lucrative opportunity for global capitalability centers? Mumbai received the highest share of investments, accounting for close to 50% of the total. Then there were Delhi NCR at about 30%. After that, it was Bengaluru at close to 15%. But while real estate may have shown measured growth, private equity investments may have fallen about 60% in H1 2023 compared to the same period in 2022. It seems like geopolitical headwinds and macroeconomic uncertainties may have contributed to this decline. Average ticket size is the amount of money that a private equity investor spends or invests in a single deal or investment opportunity. The average ticket size seemed to have a sharp increase. This was driven by a large transaction involving a souvenir wealth fund partnering with REIT Real Estate Investment Trust to acquire commercial assets. This was said to be Brookfield Indian Real Estate Investments Trust and Singapore's Sovereign Wealth Fund GIC jointly acquiring properties from Brookfield Asset Management's Real Estate Private Equity Division for an enterprise value of about $1.4 billion. So, what's the mood? It may be that amidst global uncertainties, investors may have a cautious stance. But there may be a rebound in H2 2023 and we may see in a couple of months how the real estate industry can grow and recover. What are the strategic decisions in the pursuit of sustainable growth and profitability that India's real estate sector could see?